What's going on, everybody? Welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm actually in county 001, and right now I'm walking, I'm exiting the island. This is Mombasa Island, and I'm going all the way to the mainland. And there's something that is happening along this area. The government is constructing the railway line, and I assume it's going, let's say, for SGR lovers. After alighting at Miritini, you are going to board an old one that is going to take you into town. So I'm not alone. I'm with my brother here from another mother. What's your name, man?
My name is James.
Your name is James?
Yeah.
So tell me, what do you like about this project? Is it of any benefit?
Yeah, it's some benefits because it's so good. It can make some transport
is going to be easier.
Easier, yeah.
So guys who are coming from Nairobi via the SGR, yes, it will be easy for them to drop
by here by using a lot of money from where?
From Miritini. We got it's Miritini.
Miritini,
yeah. So it will be easier because guys will have options. It's either you take a taxi or you take a train that is going to take you all the way to town. Do you have a clue where it's going to, the end point? The old railway line in town?
The end point is there at Taifa.
Taifa?
Yeah.
What is Taifa?
Taifa is that company of Unga.
Sound Unga company.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so let me just turn my camera so that you can see what we are talking about. Yeah. So right ahead, this is what we are talking about. I remember some time back I did a video and I was telling people that we are going to have a railway track along this road, and guys were like, no, it can't happen. Yeah, so guys, if you are new to this channel, we are actually walking along, the new...
Welcome at Mombasa. Mombasa is Raha.
Mombasa is Raha.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the new Makupa. What you are seeing behind, this is like when you are exiting Mombasa, or rather when you are entering Mombasa, is it?
Yeah.
And then this is
an exit from Mombasa to Nairobi.
So remember guys, when you are along this road, you have an option. You can actually use a motorbike, you can use a boda, you can actually be on Route 11. This is Route 11. You can walk like what you are doing. And then the good thing, the new baby in town is what you are seeing on the left. The railway. Actually what they are doing, let's say it's just rehabilitation, is it?
Yeah.
It used to be there. This is a new model. So it's just about rehabilitation and all that, and you are good to go.
You want to make coast beautiful with some new expensive things.
The gateway to East Africa. Mombasa is something very big.
Yes.
So we are still walking along the Makupa Causeway, the new bridge that was constructed under the previous government.
Yeah.
That is Jubilee government. And I'm told this project, the railway line project, it's according to online sources, it says it's okay, like let's say 730 million US dollar. Yeah, that is going to purchase the SGR cargo, and then part of the money it's being used to construct this. Yeah, it's not that the 100 million, the 700 million, all of it is going to this, no. Part of it. And then to acquire the cargo trains. I remember Kibarani some time back, that place used to be smelly. Huh? Yeah. Huh? We used to have an old road somewhere here. Oh, this is where we used to have the old road,
Yes.
like in between the railway line. Ah. The beautiful flags. That is under Joho. Joho is the one who was doing that. The Mombasa cement. Ah, yeah. I remember it used to be a dump site, and you know, guys were just throwing. Yeah.
Can't believe it.
Okay, so guys, you can see we got cabro, you know, on the footpath. There's some nice cabro, and the best part about this is, you know, there's a barrier. We got a barrier, so there's no way you're going to get in touch or rather be hit by the matatu. So let me see if I can zoom in that.
Mombasa Bridge. Makupa Bridge.
This is the new Makupa Bridge. Okay, so guys, what you are seeing, we are still walking along. We are still walking along the, you know, the new Makupa Bridge. It was constructed a few years ago, and as I said earlier, we used to have, or rather I said in my previous videos when I was doing this railway, this bridge,
Yes.
you know, I said we are going to have an SGR, and people were like, no, Pam, there's no way that thing is going to be incorporated into this thing. But here we are.
Here you are. Thank God we are.
Yeah, here we are.
And still construction going on.
Yeah. What was the purpose of having the flags? Just beautification?
The flags is every country together.
Ah, and then as a way of welcoming people to Mombasa. Okay, let me just turn around. Let me see where you're coming from. And then we got the street lights.
Yeah, street lights, nice one.
You know, when it's late at night, the place looks
So beautiful.
so beautiful.
Yeah.
Now tell me, when this one is done,
And
are they going?
there is some animals, elephants.
Ah, no, my question was, like after they finish, are they going to demolish the under? Are they going to demolish somewhere there? So that we have the water moving from this side to the other side.
No, that maybe, let's say, after some few,
When they've finished,
yeah, after they finish, let's say
they can demolish. Ah. Okay. So guys, you've seen how the place looks like. What you're seeing right there, that is the new, you know, it's the meter gauge railway.
yeah,
The meter gauge railway. Also cargo. So I think they want to make this place more busy.
Yeah, busy road. This, they call it busy road.
They're going to build yeah, it's a good tourist place. So guys, we are proceeding to exit. You know, we are exiting Mombasa Island and we are going towards the Kenyan. You know, for tourists or rather for visitors, they normally say, you are getting to the island and you are exiting the island to the Kenyan island.
Yeah.
You know, it's sounding funny to me to say I'm going to the Kenyan mainland because I'm Kenyan and I'm home.
You are at home.
live one. That thing is so huge.
Which one is taking our voice?
Yeah, this is the microphone somewhere here.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a bit noisy here, so.
Yes.
Woo! Don't blame me. That one, the one that is causing some noise. So,
yes.
We are now on the Kenyan mainland.
Yeah.
Official, we have left the island.
You have left the island.
Okay, guys, so you've heard it. We've already officially, left the Mombasa island. We're already to the Kenyan mainland.
Yeah.
Hi bro, how are you?
Fine. Okay, usinifike.
Nimesha kupiga.
Umeshanipika?
Yes. Sawa.
Yeah.
The people who just love to see the camera,
Yeah.
So they were like, take us a picture. I've already taken them, so. And one thing I like about Mombasa people,
yes.
You guys are so good.
Yeah.
Whenever you see a camera, it's not like you're scared about it.
Yeah,
No.
I'm not scared about it because it's something which
It's something that is you speak a bit loud because of the noise.
it's something which we use it.
Ah.
We used to see it.
You are used to it. You are used to the camera.
Yeah, or to see it. You see?
As compared to the Nairobi people, they look at you with the camera and they're like, huh?
Yeah.
Why are you having a camera? Yeah.
Yeah. So good.
We go on a hunger strike. We walk all the way to Nairobi.
Yeah, even see that going on there, over there.
Ah. Guys, there's a lot of construction that is happening, Okay, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. If this is your first time to bump into this channel, kindly consider to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Now, this is the end of our today's video. I was taking you, on a road tour, or rather a walk tour of the new standard meter gauge railway, that is being constructed just next to the Makupa Bridge. It's something great. And as I said from the start, I'm told for people who will be coming all the way from Nairobi to Miritini SGR, they'll have an opportunity, to jump into the older train, and then it's going to drop you all the way into town, just like what happens in Nairobi. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.